Welcome back! In this lecture, we will do the Sphinx yoga pose. Let's see this yoga pose in action. Start by lying down on your stomach with your toes flat on the floor. Next, align your elbows under your shoulders. Keep your legs close together. Inhale and slowly lift your head, chest and abdomen from the floor. Concentrate on your breathing. Take deep breaths in and out. Pull your torso back with the help of your arms. Stay in this position for 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale, and slowly release your belly and lower your torso and head to the floor. Rest for 5 seconds in Uttanasana yoga pose. Repeat the Sphinx yoga pose. Stay in this position for 3 breaths. Rest again for 5 seconds in Uttanasana yoga pose. Repeat the Sphinx pose for 2 more times. Rest again for 5 seconds in Uttanasana yoga pose. Repeat the Sphinx yoga pose. Stay in this position for 3 breaths. When finished, rest again in Uttanasana yoga pose. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next lecture.